What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, I'm going to preface this video by saying it might be slightly boring, but trust me, this is information that's going to be crucial to how we are going to move for the next several months. The fact of the matter is, folks, we have cemented ourselves as the Shiba Inu community in the broader crypto space. And what comes with that is that we follow the broader crypto space a little bit more tightly. On top of that, the broader crypto space right now is moving very tightly with the stock market, and the stock market is heavily influenced by what is going on right now over at the Fed. Here's the situation. Here's the breakdown. What's going on is that the Federal Reserve is thinking about increasing interest rates. What comes along with that? When interest rates are high, people are less likely to go take out loans in order to use that money to invest. Of course. Not just you and I, retail investors, even big large-scale institutions, they do the same thing. They borrow money at a very low interest rate. They go take that money, they invest it at a return that is much higher than what they are paying in interest. When interest rates start going up, what happens is people take a risk-off approach. Since interest rates are going up, people are less likely to go take out those loans and more likely to pull their assets out of the market into safer yielding assets such as 10-year bonds. And that's why we are seeing the price of 10-year bonds actually go down. It's inversely related with how many people are buying those bonds. If there are more people that are interested in buying those bonds and buying those bonds, the rate goes down. And that is what we are seeing today. And tomorrow we are going to get a clear picture as to what the interest rates are going to look like, how fast they are going to go up, and that is directly going to influence the price of the crypto space and Shiba Inu. So that is what we are going to be discussing today. If that's all you came here for, that's the situation, folks. Be on the lookout for what the Fed says tomorrow. But we are going to take a deeper dive and see exactly what we can expect, what I think is going to go down, and how we are going to move. If you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Here is the article. FOMC preview, the Fed not expected to raise interest rates this week. Keep that in mind. Anticipation over a pullback in Federal Reserve stimulus has markets rolling, setting the stage for what could be a pivotal central bank policy setting meeting this week. Although the Fed has signaled it will likely raise rates multiple times this year, the first rate increase is not expected this coming week. Instead, the Policy Setting Federal Open Market Committee, or the FOMC, will likely tease higher rates coming in its March meeting. They are saying that it's time for us to shift gears to really start to bring those inflation numbers down. And the way to do that is by increasing interest rates. So folks, this is exactly what we are going to be on the lookout for tomorrow. This is important. This is extremely crucial because in my opinion, however much they increase rates by, obviously the markets have already reacted, but the markets, in my opinion, tomorrow could react either very positively or very negatively, depending on whether or not the expectation is met. Now, something that you guys have to keep in mind when it comes to the markets is a lot of the price action for the markets is already baked in, pending expectations. So if we have this expectation that interest rates are going to be raised significantly throughout this year, and the Fed comes out and says, you know what? We ran the numbers, we've looked at everything, and it turns out we don't need to increase interest rates so fast. We need to dial it back a little bit. The market is going to be bullish on that news. Even though the Fed comes out and says, yes, we do need to increase interest rates, the market sees that as a lower than expected increase in interest rates that could potentially be bullish. On the other hand, if the Fed comes out and says, hey, as a matter of fact, we have to increase interest rates much more aggressively than we anticipated, that could potentially be bearish. And the best case scenario is if the Fed comes out and says, actually, now is not the time, we aren't going to increase rates at all. Then we go to the moon. In my opinion, I think it's going to be somewhere in the middle, where the Fed comes out and says, we are going to dial it back a little bit, but we are going to increase rates, and it's going to be lower than what we anticipated. But of course, that is just my best guess. Nobody really knows. That is why you need to be on the lookout for this Fed report coming tomorrow, and worry not, I will most definitely have a video on that. Before we continue on and talk about Shiba Inu a little bit more specifically, a big shout out to Webull, folks. If you guys don't know, I am a Webull affiliate. My link is going to be in the description below and also pinned up at the top of the comments. When you use my affiliate link, open up a brokerage account and deposit just 1 cent onto Webull, folks, just 1 penny. You are going to get 3 free stocks, guaranteed, absolutely no questions asked. Of course, you are going to get 1 free stock just for opening an account, and then 2 more free stocks that can be valued all the way up to $3,000 just for depositing that 1 cent. Obviously, you have to get a little bit lucky to get this maximized value, but nonetheless, you are going to get 3 free stocks guaranteed when using my affiliate link and depositing just 1 cent. Those links are going to be in the description below. So guys, Shiba Inu. Where do we go from here? Because as of right now, the market's actually looking reasonably well over the course of the day. Ethereum not doing too bad. Bitcoin up here past 37,000 now. Ethereum approaching 2.5K, and Shiba Inu almost at 22. Where do we go from here? I think a lot of what we're seeing right now is just everybody holding their breath. Not a lot of price action up, not a lot of price action down. If you look at the 7-day chart, it kind of just looks flat. I think what happens tomorrow is going to decide a lot of how we are going to move for the next several weeks and months, even when it comes to Shiba Inu. That being said, we do have our own sets of catalysts, and that's why I like this token so much. It's because yes, we are moving with the broader space a little bit more closely, but our catalysts, they can get us to the next level even if the broader space is not doing well. This is the way I look at it. Shiba Inu can do well even when the broader space is not doing phenomenally well. But Shiba Inu can shatter all expectations when the broader space is performing, and that gives us a boost for our price as well. So that's the way I look at it. We can be good and we can be better, but we can still be good. That's why I think Shiba Inu is going to be a very interesting asset here in 2022. Good catalysts are coming, utility is coming, the metaverse is coming, Shibarium is coming. A lot on the pipeline when it comes to SHIB, and I'm excited. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. Like I said, I told you guys it's going to be a slightly boring one today, but I promise you this information is crucial, and tomorrow dictates a lot of what we are going to see here in the next couple of months. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. Please keep in mind, folks, I am by no means a financial advisor. I am just some guy on YouTube that really likes talking about this stuff, but you have to go out and do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. Thank you guys so much once again. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I am out the scene, folks. Peace out.